Today we're going to talk about some changes to condominiums that were announced by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac effective September 18th of 2023. So these new guidelines are going to be addressing deferred maintenance and special assessments. So basically, routine repairs are fine. So lenders are going to have to obtain and review any structural or mechanical inspection reports that have been done within 3 years of the seller's project review date, even if the HOA states that there's no special assessment, there's no critical repairs, and there's no code violations. So routine repairs are fine. The routine repairs are preventative in nature and part of the normal, capital replacement of a building, and they keep your building functioning and serviceable. They're accomplished within the budget, the operating budget that the HOA has, or maybe a small special assessment. Where we're going to have problems is with critical repair. So the term critical repair is going to make the project ineligible unless the critical repairs are 100% completed. So repairs that significantly impact the structural integrity, the soundness, the safety, or the habitability of the condominium is going to be a problem. And that can affect the market value, the financial viability of the project. So any unfounded repair that's more than $10,000 has to be undertaken within the next 12 months. It does not include repairs that are made by the owner, and funded through a special assessment. But some examples of these items that are going to be critical would be seawalls, elevators, any waterproofing or stairwell problems. Balconies are another big one. And of course, foundation is a major one. The electrical systems, parking structures as well, and any load-bearing wall that affects the structure or the system of the condominium that could cause a failure within the next year is going to be a problem. If there's any mold or water intrusion to the building that are potentially damaging, that has to be resolved as well because it can cause physical deterioration of the property. So any condominium that has failed a state, county, or any jurisdiction mandatory inspections will have to pass before we can lend on the property and show a certificate of structural soundness, safety, and habitability. If you have any questions on these new guidelines and are looking at buying a condo, please feel free to reach out to me. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips.